The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen R. Covey is a groundbreaking self-help book that has profoundly impacted individuals seeking personal and professional growth. Covey's comprehensive guide offers readers a roadmap to navigate life's challenges and achieve lasting success through fundamental habits that cultivate positive change and empower them to lead more fulfilling lives. The book's central philosophy is founded on 7 habits that guide individuals through a journey of self-improvement and empowerment. These habits are grouped into 3 transformative stages: achieving self-mastery, fostering effective interpersonal relationships, and nurturing continuous growth. 1. Be proactive. Covey introduces the concept of proactive behavior, emphasizing the importance of taking control over one's actions and reactions. He encourages readers to base their responses on their values and principles, rather than being dictated by external circumstances. This habit empowers individuals to shape their lives according to their vision and values. 2. Begin with the end in mind. Covey underscores the significance of having a clear personal mission statement and long-term goals. By envisioning the desired outcome and aligning actions with this vision, individuals set the foundation for their journey toward success and fulfillment. 3. Put first things first. Covey delves into effective time management, urging individuals to prioritize tasks that align with their mission and values. This habit helps individuals maximize their productivity and achieve meaningful results, ensuring that they invest their time in activities that truly matter. 4. Think win-win. Covey introduces the concept of a win-win mindset, which encourages individuals to seek mutually beneficial solutions in their interactions. This habit fosters collaboration, effective communication, and the development of positive relationships, whether in personal or professional contexts. 5. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. Covey highlights the importance of empathetic communication. This habit promotes active listening and understanding others' perspectives before expressing one's own viewpoint. By practicing empathetic communication, individuals create a foundation for effective and meaningful interactions. 6. Synergize. Covey explores the power of synergy, wherein diverse perspectives and strengths are combined to achieve innovative solutions. This habit encourages collaborative teamwork, creative problem-solving, and the realization of outcomes greater than what could be achieved individually. 7. Sharpen the saw. Covey emphasizes the need for continuous self-renewal in the physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual dimensions of life. This habit ensures that individuals remain adaptable, resilient, and capable of sustaining their growth and effectiveness over time. Covey's principles are rooted in timeless values and offer a holistic framework for personal development. Readers are guided towards a deeper understanding of themselves and their relationships, with the ultimate aim of achieving greater success and fulfillment. Through this transformative journey, Covey's teachings equip individuals with the tools to foster effective communication, leadership skills, and lasting positive change.